In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zendesk, a comprehensive customer service solution that can streamline your organization's support processes. We'll break everything down step by step so you can easily follow along and set up your own trial account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Zendesk website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a range of options designed to help businesses enhance their customer service capabilities. Next, look for the option that says Start Your Free Trial and give it a click. This will lead you to a registration page where you can begin your journey with Zendesk. Here, you'll need to enter a bit of information to kickstart your trial. Make sure to use your business email when filling out the registration form. This is important because it allows Zendesk to identify your organization within its system and facilitates a smooth setup process. Once you've submitted your details and completed the registration, you're ready to dive into Zendesk's interface. You might be wondering what to do next. Well, now you'll have the chance to edit and manage your customer support tickets. This is an essential feature of Zendesk that can greatly improve the efficiency of your customer service operations. Now, let's move on to working with the tickets. Here we start with the requester field. This is where you'll specify who is making the request or raising the issue. It's a straightforward step but crucial for identifying the origin of the support request. Next, you want to set the assignee for the ticket. Assigning a team member to a ticket ensures that it is attended to in a timely manner and helps prevent any customer issues from falling through the cracks. After assigning the ticket, you can add followers. This feature allows for additional team members to stay notified and engaged with the ticket, ensuring collaboration and that the right expertise is applied when needed. Following that, take a moment to consider the tags field. Tags are a great way to categorize and prioritize your tickets based on recurring themes or issues, which can significantly speed up your resolution times. You will also want to select the type of ticket. This could be a question, incident, problem, or task. Choosing the appropriate type helps in setting clear expectations about what needs to be done. Next is setting the priority level. This is a key step that allows you to manage your team's workload by focusing on the most urgent matters first. Don't forget to add a subject to your ticket. A clear and concise subject line makes it easier for your team and customers to understand the issue at a glance. In the same vein, include a public reply. This is your opportunity to communicate directly with the customer, keeping them informed and involved in the process. Crafting a professional and empathetic response can go a long way in bolstering customer satisfaction. Finally, once everything is filled out, you're ready to click on Submit to save your ticket or update it in the system. This action finalizes your ticket, making it visible and actionable for your support team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully set up Zendesk and learned how to manage tickets effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your use of Zendesk in future videos.